Hello, my name is Brianna Stonebreaker, and I'm doing a presentation on the organs in each major body cavity. In this picture, you can see the four major cavities, and we will talk about those later on in the presentation. The four major body cavities include the cranial cavity, the vertebral cavity, the thoracic cavity, and the abdominal pelvic cavity. The cranial cavity houses the brain and other smaller cavities of the head and face, which includes the nasal cavity, the oral cavity, the orbital or optic cavity. These are numbered here, but not labeled. The second cavity is the vertebral cavity. This only houses the spinal cord, as you can tell in the lateral view of the body. The third cavity is the thoracic cavity. The thoracic cavity contains the lungs and heart, and right in between the lungs is the mediastinum. This includes the heart and trachea. In this picture, you can also see the diaphragm, which separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal pelvic cavity. The fourth and last cavity is the abdominal pelvic cavity, which can be split into two different categories. The top cavity being the abdominal portion, which contains the stomach, liver, kidney, spleen, small intestines, and most of the large intestines. The second portion of the abdominal pelvic cavity is the pelvic portion, which contains the rest of the large intestines, bladder, and reproductive organs. With women, this includes the uterus and ovaries, and in men, this includes the prostate. You can see most of these organs in this picture. And these are just more examples of the organs in each body cavity. Some pictures have empty spaces where it shows the vicinity that each body cavity is, and the picture on the left shows where each organ would be in each body cavity. Thank you for watching.